Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tanmai's Experiments. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the buzzer's volume increase and decrease. So first, we need to open the S4a software. So now, as we have opened the S4a software, we need to first connect our Arduino Uno board. So now our Arduino Uno is connected. Now go to the control section and bring the when green flag clicked block, and after that bring the forever block. Now go to the motion section and bring the analog 9 value 255 block. Go back to the control section and bring the wait 1 second block and place it below the analog block. Now duplicate it and place it below the block. Now change the value from 255 to 150. Now again duplicate the block and place it below the block we have duplicated before, and change the value from 150 to 50. Now again duplicate the block and change the value to 0. Now do the same process by increasing the value 50 by 50. Now after duplicating, change the value to 50 first. Now again duplicate it and change the value to 150. Now again duplicate it and change the value to 250. And that's it. Voila! Our code is ready. Now we need to see how to connect the buzzer to the analog 9 pin and the ground. So let's turn on the camera. So now the things needed are a male to female wire and a buzzer. So first take the male to female wire as shown in the camera, and then connect it to the longer end of the buzzer. Now connect the shorter end to the GND of the Arduino board, and then connect the longer end of the buzzer to the 9 analog pin. Now, as we have done the connections, let's go on and test the code. So, hope you guys heard the buzzer's volume increase and decrease. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to Tanmai's Experiments. Goodbye.